Hello everyone, welcome to the end-to-end Power BI project where we explore what makes social media content successful across platform and regions. In this video, we will use a real-world data set from the Onyx Data DNA Challenge, June 2025, in which we are going to analyze posts across TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. Okay, so let's begin by understanding the question and aim of this project. So the biggest question is what drives social media content success across platform and region? Which platform and post type generate the highest engagement or views? What are the ideal days and hours to publish content for maximum engagement? Are there regional differences in engagement performance? How do hashtags and content category impact performance? So before analyzing this, all the business questions, we need to just first load the data set into the Power BI because we are going to make this overall project in the Power BI. Okay, so here we can get the data. So maybe this is Excel data. So here now we have just uh, get the data. Using this, we can take any type of data like CSV and text and Excel. Okay, so here my data is now able to load. So what we will do, yes. So here you can see this is our data. Okay, this is not complete data because there is written the data and the preview has been truncated due to the size limit. Okay, means there is not overall data, but you can see the data. Okay, and what is here are another sheet. Okay, so these both are the same. So basically, we are going to any of the data, any of the sheets. So I'm going to this one. Okay, and here you can see that you can load, transform data and cancel. If you will go to the load, then this data will load on your Power BI desktop. And if you want to transform your data and want to see that what changes we can make, what is the overall of data, okay, is there null value or not? So for that, we are going to transform data. So for now, I'm going to transform data. It will take little much time. So wait for this. Yeah. So basically, I don't like this table name sheet. So I'm going to just rename it. You can rename by this. Okay. So I want to just write it media underscore content. Okay. Media. Okay. Or I'm going to just write it content. So yeah. Now we can check the from here that is there any null value or not. So yeah, there is not any null value. Okay, and for platform load more because we need to see all the value in this column. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, X.com, YouTube. Here you can see there is no null value. Okay, if any column contain null value, then in this section you will get a like null, blank value or zero. Okay, so we are going to do the same for all. Yeah. Actually, Onyx data give you like clean data. Means your overall 80% of work is done by Onyx. Okay, was done by Onyx. So you don't need to do more thing in it. What you need to do is you have they give you data, clean the data. So your overall 80% of work was completed. But you need to do 20% more data analysis, which is the main part of that, which is the spatial data analysis case. In this, you need to like visualize the data, like understand the data, visualize the data, and make dashboards and reports and showcase on LinkedIn. Okay, here is post type. This is reason. Okay, so we are going to do all the same things. Here likes, shares, video views, and you can see there is lots of zero value, like means, and this there is maximum if okay. You can see there is zero means there is some videos where video are not viewed by any user. Okay, so clicks. For null, we need to replace it by zero. Okay, so we will understand that what we can do in this. For now, if we are just going to understand the data, and after that we need to write it that like we need to just fill or fill the null to like zero for our oral analysis. This is click-through rate. So we have to do some more uh, data cleaning in this, like here null to replace with zero. Okay, and this is main hashtag. Okay, hashtag customer story, hashtag did you know, hashtag event recap, hashtag feature highlight. Okay, and the next is post publish date. This is the time and date. Here what we can do, we can just split this column into date and into time. Okay, and this is post date. I think these both are same, so we need to just remove one. So before going to our you can write here that we need to just remove post date, okay, from the table, and here post hour. Okay, there is not any null value. And here what is what it contain engagement level, like how much a user engage with given video or given content. So we have seen that what in which column there is null value, which uh, which column have duplicate value, and the column which we have to remove. Okay, so where now um, if we want to transfer, we will transform next one. But here what we can see, uh, for wait, for any data, okay, any data you are going to load, or you are loading your data into the Power BI, then your first step will be detect data type. Okay. Yeah. And here you can see the column quality and column profile like this. With this, you can see distribution of value in the column. So if you want for this, see, for this, okay, because there is lots of data, and that's why it will not be computed. Yeah. And you know what? What here is the problem, that there is some uh, row where time is not written. Okay, that's it. And here man hashtag. Yeah, you can see the success hashtag success story have the highest distribution in the new data. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And with column distribution, you can understand that how much value is in content type. There is two distinct values, zero unique, and in content category there is, if you can see, five distinct and zero unique. And here you can see that education, event and webinar, production, promotion, customer story, entertainment. Here you can see that there is five value and which is only unique. There is not. Let's see how to save the any file, save any file in Power BI. So here, after understanding the data, what we are going to do, we are just going to close and apply. After this, if you have did anything, then your data will be saved, or your work will be saved in the Power BI. And after that, if you want to save your data, like save your file, then you can select anything, like I'm going to uh, um, I'm going to save here is Onyx June. Okay, and what is analysis of content. Now your file will be saved on your selected location. Okay, thank you everyone.